What's up, guys? Buying car parts isn't always about performance. Sometimes you just have to replace your old, worn out parts, and they don't have anything to do with performance, but they're necessary to keep the car running and drivable. So when I need parts, I usually get the chain stores like AutoZone or Napa, but sometimes they're just really expensive and it's really ridiculous. I'll give you an example. I needed brake pads for the Dart not long ago, and AutoZone wanted like $80 just for the front pads, and that's way too much money. So I just wanted to share with you another resource that I use to buy low-cost parts, and that is RockAuto.com. Now this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share this with you because I use them quite often to get replacement parts when, AutoZone or whoever, they're just way too expensive. So the wife and I, we just picked up a new Jeep. Well, it's not new, but it's a project Jeep, and we're going to be building it out for some off-road adventures, and we'll have some videos of that coming up pretty soon, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those. But for right now, we're just going through and we're just fixing all the issues. It's an older Jeep, and one of the issues right now is the brake system. It needs a new brake master cylinder. So I went to AutoZone, and as you can see, they want $100 for a new master cylinder with a reservoir. They also offer a remanufactured master cylinder, but it doesn't come with a reservoir. So not only is it not brand new, but it doesn't have the reservoir. And that's, still $60. So we can look at Summit. Summit has them between $55 and $85 here. And then they have another one down here. It's a remanufactured without the reservoir for $37. Still not too bad, but again, it's not new and it doesn't come with a reservoir. So let's see what we can do with RockAuto. Now when you look at this site's kind of ugly. Looks like it was built in the late 90s, but once you get used to it, it is pretty useful. So over here on the side, you've got a list of all the different makes. So you can just scroll down to whatever you're looking for. And I'm just going to type in Jeep. There we go. And this one is a 1998 Grand Cherokee, and it's the 4-liter inline 6. And once you narrow down your vehicle make and model and your engine type, then you have access to the different part sections, so whatever you're looking for. And I don't want to figure out where anything is, so I'm just going to type in master cylinder. And now we've got a list of the available parts. Now, it's kind of hard to look at, but if you just kind of take some time, pay attention to it, each row is a different part. So just scan down and kind of check out what's listed here and see which one might be best for you. Now I've already looked at this and I know this top one here, it's $35 and it's a brand new master cylinder and it comes with the reservoir. So looks like that's a pretty good deal and that's the one I'm going to be buying. Alright, so now you have another resource that you can go to when you need to find cheap replacement parts for whatever project you're working on. Okay, be sure to subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, click that like button, or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.